Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how you can download and install Git on your device. For it, just go to your browser. You can go to any browser and you need to search for Git download. It's in there and there you can see. So click here on the first link and I'll also keep this link in the description. Just check it out. So after coming here you can see download for Windows. You will see also other version for macOS and Linux as well. So we are just going to directly click here down for Windows and it will take us to this page and here you can see this support Git for Windows setup. So right now most Windows support 64-bit, I mean most laptop or PC. So we will click here for this standalone installer. So click on 64-bit Git for Windows setup and it will download the exe file. So this will take a few seconds. It is around 65 MB and there you can see the download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on the downloaded file. After that, here you will see this, just click on next. They will show you what it will install. Okay. So if you want, you can change the location, but I will keep it the way it is. So I will click on next. If you want, you can also click here additional icons as well. After that, click on next and then click on next again. Just keep clicking on next and then just keep it next a few more times. Just keep it the way it is by default and then click on install. So this will take a few seconds. And then you can see installation is successful. So if you want to launch it and do the as well, just check this on and click on finish. And we will open a Git cache or whatever. There you can see it look like. So yeah, this is how you can download and install Git on your Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I will see you in the future video.